I went to the Polish school, and for 2 years, and it was also very strict. The teacher would walk around with a little ruler and under his arm, and if somebody didn't behave, it would hit him over the hand, over the shoulder, and so forth. And of course, every morning they had their prayers in Polish, and I learned them, and I still know them today. W imię Ojca i Syna i Ducha Świętego. Amen. Niech będzie pochwalony Jezus Chrystus na wieki wieki. Amen. Which means that we are thanking Jesus for believing in him and all that, for what he suffered and so forth. At home, we were Jewish. I guess my parents, they sent me to Polish school. Mm-hmm. So I went. I mean, we didn't go by buses, we walked. and Polish, you know, everything was talked in Polish and taught in Polish. Mm. And if somebody didn't behave, he got a hazets with that piece of wood that he was carrying.